Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can invite people to join your Discord server. It is super simple. You can just invite them here from the text channels, but they're going to go straight away to the voice channel. I think if you invite them there, you can also invite them up here. So that's like arrow going down, invite people. And here is where you can invite people. Search for friends here, or you can even copy the link. You can also edit the invite link. For instance, you don't want it to expire at all and there's no limit uses. Also generate a new link and then you can copy that, or you can straight away find a friend and invite them by pressing the invite button. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!